guess it was the weather. Or the... I don't know, that thing. That magic. You see it in the movies. I wanted to retire from what I was doing, you know? From that line of work. Be a good guy for once. A family man. So, I bought a big house. Came here, put my feet up, and thought I'd be a dad like all the other dads. My kids would be like the kids on TV. We'd play ball and sit in the sun, but, well, you know how it is. I've been in this game for a lot of years, and I got out alive. If you want my advice, give this shit up.
Skeletons in your closet. Itching to come outside.
The Guns and Crank in this area go through Trevor Phillips Enterprise, or they ain't going. I'll swing by and sign the contracts, all right? Just ignore the bodies.
Can you tell me where Berto Beach House is?
That house right there, with the yellow stairs.
I don't care how many cars you own, you ain't changing.
I'm getting my money in the hood. I'm cool.
Cool what? Slinging dope and throwing up gang signs?
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
Oh my God!
Hey, let's bounce. Bounce. We're bouncing now.
It's getting ready to go. It's getting ready to show. Somebody shut up like the mountain. We're getting ready to know. It's getting ready to cry. It's getting ready to shock. Somebody turn up the heat. It's getting ready to pop.
That's Trevor, my best friend. That's Franklin, the son I always wanted.
Yeah, whatever.
Jesus, your therapist has a lot to answer for.
It's getting ready to go. It's getting ready to show. Somebody.
Major drug dealer.
Real hillbilly type shit.
Bring me my coffee, I'm gonna cut your arm off.
But it's the same old tune, fiddle and guitar.
Back in town, baby, yeah!
Please, just go and ruin somebody else's home furnishing.
Rhinestone shoes and shine.
New in town, I'm making friends, all right? A lot of friends. I mean, things could get really messy.
Just keep him away from me and the children.
Nice new tits, by the way.
What is wrong with you? Got abandonment issues?
I see a shrink once a week.
I've seen the world like these bands.
Shot him, Eagle.
Looking at the backside
Boy, massage.
No, I really
Do you want me to get my dick out again?
of me, but I don't think.
So you giving me a lecture about not being a good enough gangbanger? That's all we got? That's our heritage. I thought we was trying to get out of this bullshit.
You sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day.
Tell them this is celebration, bitch.
I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
Oh, my bad, Mr. Gold Card.
Courtesy of 100 beat. Got my crips and essays in all reach.
Ah, gangster shit.
You ain't got no respect.
I got respect for reality.
Enjoy them hoes, homie.
Yeah, whatever.
I want something that isn't this.
Jimmy called me a bitch!
I want to be a good dad. Love my family. You know, live the dream.
Hate you!
Why do I have to hold your hand through this whole midlife crisis bullshit?
Come here.
same time, I really want the other stuff too.
And you're plainly addicted to chaos.
Well, I'm not sure that's true, Doc. I'm rich. I'm miserable. I'm pretty average for this town.
I think you need a new therapist.
Avec Grand Theft Auto V, Rockstar cherche à apporter plusieurs révolutions au jeu à monde ouvert. L'univers du jeu est magnifique, immense et varié. La Californie moderne se voit agrandie et réinventée jusqu'à la caricature. Entre montagnes et océans, boutiques de luxe et zones commerciales, décadence urbaine et étendues sauvages, plages et trous paumés, le sublime et le ridicule, la cupidité et l'hypocrisie.
You tell me exactly what you want, and I will very carefully explain to you why it cannot be.
What?
So what we doing here?
We're working, amigo.
Pour la toute première fois, le jeu propose non pas un, mais 3 héros en devenir.
So now what?
Michael, un ancien braqueur charismatique reconverti tant bien que mal en père de famille.
You know, you're a real asshole. What did you just say to me?
Stop it! You're ruining my yoga!
Franklin, un escroc ambitieux persuadé d'être entouré d'incapables.
We can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting cheap asshole.
Et Trevor. Il vaut mieux ne pas trop vous en dire à son sujet. La présence de 3 protagonistes distincts permet de transformer à la fois la narration, sous la forme d'un portrait croisé, et la structure de chaque mission. Les joueurs peuvent passer d'un point de vue à un autre, et d'une séquence survoltée à une autre.
Gotcha.
He's got support!
Get us out of here!
Roger that!
Les missions n'en sont que plus variées et intenses. En dehors des missions, l'utilisation de 3 personnages principaux permet d'assouvir une certaine part de curiosité. Vous pouvez en effet à tout moment voir où vos nouveaux amis en sont de leur journée.
Jeez, Pop. Too much more of that and maybe I won't be dead by 35.
Hey, officer! Give it up! This is getting way out of hand!
Non seulement le monde est vaste, mais il regorge également d'activités. Vous pouvez personnaliser vos voitures, piloter des avions, refaire votre garde-robe, faire du sport, chercher à atteindre le nirvana, plonger dans l'océan, chasser des animaux ou leur servir de proie, rencontrer des gens bizarres, jouer les chasseurs de primes et bien d'autres choses encore.
How have you been?
Oh, simply wonderful. And you?
Somewhere stuck between joyful and peachy.
L'accent a aussi été mis sur les mécanismes de jeu, afin d'en varier les aspects tout en conservant la plus grande fluidité possible. Toutes vos activités vous procureront un grand plaisir. Qu'il s'agisse de piloter une voiture, de mitrailler vos ennemis, de jouer au tennis ou de faire une balade à vélo. Mais vous ne passerez pas vos journées à vous adonner à vos loisirs, vous aurez aussi une mission à accomplir. Ne vous laissez pas tromper par les apparences, nos héros sont de dangereux criminels.
It's an industrial area, right? So I'm thinking vehicles. Trash truck to block, tow truck to sack.
Et pour survivre, ils vont devoir mener à bien une série de braquages de plus en plus risqués.
Gentlemen, some plans for your attention?
C'est aux joueurs d'organiser ces braquages et de décider de leur déroulement et des hommes qui les accompagneront.
There's 2 ways I see of doing this. We go in smart. Let's go. Or we go in loud and dumb. Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your moment. Please don't make me ruin all the great work your plastic surgeons have been doing.
Une fois le butin partagé, à vous de voir comment vous préférez dépenser votre magot. Vous pouvez jouer la carte de la sécurité en optant pour des tatouages et des voitures de sport. ou misez gros en investissant en bourse ou dans l'immobilier de Los Santos. Et pour finir, il y a Grand Theft Auto Online, que vous aurez bientôt la chance de découvrir.